Perfect. Perfect.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and support me. So in today's video, I'll be doing a pink makeup look tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to take my black opal eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrows, but just before I do that, I'm going to take this eyebrow brush and I'm going to brush my eyebrows. Now I'll be taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to start drawing my eyebrows, and I apologize for the lighting. It's gonna happen quite a few times in the video. Now I'm just drawing my eyebrows. I'm trying to make it look like an arch in a way, so that's what I'm doing. And I just realized that one of my eyebrows don't look the same, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking cotton, I'm just gonna redo it so that they kind of look even and look the same. Once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take my pencil, I'm just gonna shade in my eyebrows and color, like, I don't know if they call it shading in or coloring it in, but anyways, I'm filling it in. And this is how my eyebrows are now looking. Next, I'm taking this Pro concealer and I'm going to use it to shape my eyebrows and make them look neat. And I'm just putting some on my hand. This is how much I actually use. You don't need to use a lot, so I'm just trying to use enough to help me make my eyebrows look on fleek. And I'm putting some as well on front just to give my eyebrows a nice start to it. And I'm just adding more just to make it look neat. And this is how my eyebrows are looking. Yes. Next, I'm taking this small brush and I'm just using it to blend the concealer. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation called Just Be Gorgeous, and I'm going to apply enough just to cover all the acne dark marks that are on my skin. Next, I'm taking my Colors Limited blusher and bronzer, and I'm taking the bronzer and I'm going to apply it on top of my eyebrows and on my cheekbones. Next, I'm applying the rice powder on my cheeks, nose, chin, and forehead. Yes, you guys know the process. Now I'm making sure that I apply enough rice powder on my face, because if I don't, my face will look oily during the day. So once I'm done doing this, I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using the pink color eyeshadows. But firstly, I'm taking the dark pink eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it under my eyebrows and on my crease. Now this pink eyeshadow color is very blunt, but it will do. As you can see, you can only see it a little bit. It's quite blunt, but it will do. It will really help. Now I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Next, I'm taking the bright pink color eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my crease.
Perfect.
Now I'm just taking this big brush and I'm just blending everything together. And once I'm done doing that, I'm taking my Colors Limited blush and I'm taking the pink blush, yes, and I'm going to apply it under my eyebrows just to give me this bright pink, shiny pink look on my eyelids and under my eyebrows. Next, I'm taking my ADS mesmerizing gel and I'm going to do my eyeliner. and I'm also applying some on my bottom eyelid. Next, I'm taking my Revlon mascara and I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes. Next, I'm taking Vaseline and I'm going to apply it on my lips so that my lips don't get dry when I put on the lip gloss and the lipstick. Next, I'm taking this very blunt pink lipstick and I'm going to apply it just enough so that my lips look a little pink. Once I'm done doing this, I'm taking a maroon lipstick and I'm just applying a little bit just to make my lips look a bit more pink and just to make them also look a little dark pinkish, brightish pinkish color. But once I'm done doing that, I'm taking my black opal lip gloss and I'm going to apply it on my lips to give my lips a nice glossy look. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and see y'all in the next video. Bye.